Sånt ska ut till Eskonsalpa.
And today it's the 9th of September 2021. Here's Laajavuorenrinne, Bredberg's Brinken 3 staircase. Be here. Then it was on the 5th floor. That lamp was broken.
Yeah.
It's here in Martinlaakso, modernized, Länsi Vantaa, Vantaa in LSK's first region in modern Finland with 6 floors. And the capacity is 3 persons, 2 grams. Built in 1971 by ValmetSchlieren. It's turning 50 years old this year. 2021 with 6 floors. And now the serial number here is VS2551. It will be inspected next year, 2022. And we have just been to the staircase A here also. We'll also go to staircase C and D here.
Yeah.
It is probably late 1971. That's these. Door handles are not of the older type here.
Yeah.
So your second ride.
Nisputiittaakin vai mennä eteenpäin Suomen hissiurakaan.
Yeah, back to the street level. Well, that's it. Thank you very much.
That's it.